Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Reading time. Let's read together. In the park. Milo and his friends are in the park. Milo is playing soccer. Lola is reading a book under a tree. C is drawing a picture. Du is swimming in the pool. Mama is cooking lunch. Now everyone is dancing. What a fun day. Answer the questions to unlock your reading key.